What if you had no savings and no investments? Could you still become wealthy? Imagine starting with nothing, while others hold financial advantages. Building wealth isn't about secret investments or overnight riches. It's about creating a system that gradually improves your finances. You don't need to start wealthy. You need a strategy that grows with you. In this video, we'll explore the steps to build wealth from zero. We'll cover how to change your mindset, stabilize your finances, and more. Let's dive in. Starting from zero means different things for everyone. You might have little savings, a modest income, or even debt. Wealth building starts with understanding income, savings, and assets. Income is what you earn. Savings are what you keep. Assets can earn money over time. For example, someone earning $3,000 a month and spending $2,950 has very little momentum. On the other hand, if they keep $500, they create a foundation. The goal? Create financial surplus. Budgeting is important, but extreme penny pinching often isn't enough. Consider two people. Person A only cuts expenses but stays stagnant. Person B controls spending and develops valuable skills, increasing their income. Your ability to create value can grow far more. High-value skills include sales, software development, or digital marketing. You don't need to master everything. Identify one valuable problem you can solve better than before. Before building wealth, ensure financial stability. Track your money for 30 days. Identify what comes in and what goes out. Create an emergency fund. It protects your progress from unexpected events. Let's talk about income growth. For those starting from zero, increasing earning power is crucial. Follow the income ladder. Learn a skill, get paid, become good at it, and more. One skill can evolve into an income-generating asset. Next, introduce the concept of the wealth gap. Income minus spending equals capital for growth. If you earn $4,000 and spend $3,200, you have $800 to invest or save. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't increase spending just because your income rises. Focus on turning savings into productive assets. Savings offer security, while assets can generate growth. Options include diversified investments or owning a business, but make choices based on risk and your goals. Let's simplify compounding. Compounding means your returns can earn additional returns. Imagine regularly investing in a portfolio. Initially, it may feel slow. Over time, growth accelerates, rewarding consistency more than excitement. Build multiple income sources for resilience. Start with one engine, then expand. Your job can generate capital for investments. Watch out for common wealth-destroying mistakes, chasing quick riches, using expensive debt, and ignoring valuable skills. Wealth often builds quietly and slowly. Remember the roadmap. Phase 1 is to survive, control expenses. Phase 2 is to strengthen, build skills. Phase 3 is to save, create reserves. Phase 4 is to invest, acquire assets. And finally, Phase 5 is to expand and compound your growth. Building wealth from zero may seem slow. The first $1,000 can be hard. The first investment may feel insignificant. But it's about creating a strong financial system over time. You don't need a perfect start. You need direction, a system, and patience for your advantages to compound. For more insights on finance, subscribe to Finance Flow and start your journey toward wealth today. Imagine facing fears surrounding debt and limited income as obstacles to your financial success. Yet, many have risen from similar circumstances. Begin by reshaping your perspective. Rather than seeing these challenges as roadblocks, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Your journey starts with embracing a new mindset that prioritizes long-term gains over short-term gratification. Focus on your potential to evolve, adapt, and create meaningful change in your financial landscape through consistent effort and a commitment to learning. As you embark on this transformative path, it's essential to set specific financial goals. Start by defining what wealth means to you, whether it's a secure retirement, owning a home, or achieving financial independence. Break these goals down into manageable milestones. Instead of aiming for one large, seemingly unattainable target, focus on small, actionable steps that lead you closer to your vision. Each achievement, no matter how small, builds momentum and confidence. Celebrate these wins to reinforce your commitment to the journey ahead. Identify the financial habits that require adjustment, as awareness is the first step toward improvement. Look closely at your spending patterns. Are there subscriptions you no longer use or impulse purchases that can be avoided? Creating a budget isn't simply about cutting costs. It's about making informed choices that align with your financial aspirations. Engage in this process with curiosity, exploring how each dollar spent can either detract from or contribute to your ultimate wealth-building goals. By becoming intentional with your finances, you'll be in a better position to identify opportunities for growth that align with your new objectives. Next, consider the power of accountability. Share your financial goals with a trusted friend or family member who can support you on this journey. Establish regular check-ins to discuss your progress and challenges. This connection fosters a sense of responsibility, motivating you to stay committed while also allowing for honest conversations about setbacks. Having someone to encourage you can significantly enhance your chances of sticking to your plan and achieving your goals. Now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to tackle the crucial aspect of budgeting. Creating a realistic budget is foundational to your financial journey. Start by listing your essential expenses: housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. From there, factor in discretionary spending and allocate funds for savings and investments. It's vital to be honest with yourself about your priorities, ensuring that your budget reflects not just your needs but also your long-term financial goals. To further enhance your budgeting skills, incorporate the 50-30-20 rule as a guiding principle. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials. These are your must-haves for daily living. Next, assign 30% to discretionary spending, things that bring you joy but aren't strictly necessary. Finally, the remaining 20% should go directly to savings and investments. This balanced approach helps to ensure you're not only covering your bases but also setting aside funds for future growth. Adjust these percentages as needed to fit your lifestyle and financial goals, but aim to maintain a structure that promotes fiscal responsibility. With discipline and clarity, you'll find yourself on a stronger path to wealth over time. To effectively build wealth, focus on increasing your income through skill development. Identify a valuable skill that aligns with your interests and market demand. For instance, consider digital marketing, coding, or graphic design, as these skills can position you favorably in today's job market. Once you choose a skill, dedicate time to learning and improving it, utilizing available resources such as online courses, workshops, or mentorship programs. This commitment not only boosts your earning potential but also enhances your confidence in your capacity to generate income. Remember, consistent practice and continuous improvement are key, as each incremental gain in your skill set lays the groundwork for greater financial rewards. As you grow more adept in your chosen area, seek opportunities for part-time work or freelance projects to gain practical experience and start earning sooner than later. Next, embrace the importance of networking. Connect with individuals who share similar goals and interests in your field. Attend workshops, seminars, or online forums where you can exchange ideas and insights, building valuable relationships that could lead to job opportunities or collaborations. Nurturing these connections not only provides support but also expands your knowledge and opens doors to new possibilities. In conclusion, building wealth from zero is a journey that requires patience, strategic planning, and a commitment to continuous learning. By implementing these principles, you'll foster a robust financial foundation, enabling you to create lasting prosperity for yourself and your future. Start today and watch your financial landscape transform.